Namaste everyone. Hope you are all happy, healthy, fit and fine. I think it was in the second week of March of 2020 that the government had decided to lock down all the schools and colleges as a preventive measure for the novel coronavirus. A year has passed, but still the struggle is on against the unseen virus. First and foremost thing, I would like to thank all the parents on behalf of the VT family who are the corona warriors among our parents. They are really working hard in the society and they are taking care of their families also. A big round of applause to all our corona warriors. And I also would like to take this opportunity to thank our parents who have always supported us and given their complete cooperation to us in successfully completing our academic year 2020-21. Thank you all parents. And next, I should always thank our little champs or the children who are staying at home from past 1 year without coming outside the house and who have lost the touch with the nature, the major learning part in their life. So a big round of applause to all our little warriors who are staying at home from past a year. Many parents across the country had decided 2020 as a zero year for their children. They thought the children would not miss much in the early years of their education due to the pandemic. But sorry parents, that's not the case. Children are growing every day. And the major development, almost 95% of the development happens in the children between the age group of 0 to 6 years. Their cognitive development, language development, emotional development, then physical development, all these happens between the age group of 0 to 6 years. So I request you parents, do not think that 2021 will also be a zero year and waste your child's childhood. So please enroll them to the schools because online classes are the only current situation which is happening to the children's learning. Then coming to our academics of 2021-22, we shall be starting the bridge course session from June 2nd. We will be having online sessions and also the recorded sessions will be sent to you. And the online sessions will be 10 a.m. to 11 a.m. That is for 1 hour. So we request you parents to kindly cooperate as you have done always and to help your child learn better. Yes children, are you all ready for fun learning? Yes, let's do some serious learning. Along with that, we shall have some fun activities also. There will be crazy craft time, narration time, then we will have shalala sessions and boogie woogie sessions and flameless cooking sessions. Okay children, so be ready for the fun time learning. Yes parents, now let me introduce to our foundation team. I am Swarna. I am the coordinator for the foundation team.
Let's remember, one book, one pen, one child and one teacher can change the world. Hello everyone, I am Shweta, handling the classes of Foundation 3.
Start where you are. Use what you have. Do what you can. Hello everyone, I am Soumya. I will be handling Foundation 2.
Education is the key to unlocking the world, a passport to freedom. Myself, Sneha Kulkarni, I am handling Foundation 2.
If you cannot do great things, do the small things in a great way. This is Sunita, handling Foundation 1.
What a great joy can a teacher feel than to witness the child's success. Here I am Gayatri Narayan, handling foundation classes.
शिक्षण जीवन का आधार है, उसके बिना जीना बेकार है. Hello everyone, I am Shailaja. I will be handling base 2.
So yes parents, this is our foundation team. Before we end today's session, let's have a hello song. Are you all ready, children? Yes, come on, let's begin. Hello, everybody. How are you today? Time to move your body and learn and play. Hello, everybody. How are you today? Time to move your body and learn and play. Hello to my teachers and hello to my friends. Hello to my teachers and hello to my friends. Shake your head, yes. Shake your head, no. Shake your head, yes. Shake your head, no. Stretch your arms up. Stretch your arms down. Stretch your arms up. Put your hands down. Time to shake around. Okay, bye everybody. See you next day. Okay, bye everybody. See you next day. Yes, parents and children, let's meet up with our online sessions. Stay home, stay safe, stay healthy. Namaste.